Hey, what's up everyone? Jay here. Welcome to my video. This is going to be the best ChatGPT Prompt Generator tool where you're going to be able to create killer prompts in 7 seconds flat. Stick around to the end of this video. It's going to be worth your time, trust me. It's only going to be a few minutes. I'm going to show you how to use this tool, get the best use out of it, and then take your prompt, go over to ChatGPT, and then get the best possible output you can possibly get using this free tool. If you like this free tool, links directly below in the video description box. As well as a link to my 20 free tools, which you see the big arrow pointing to here, where this tool can be found on my main site here. So with that being said, let's dive in here. This is an AI prompt generator for marketers where you can instantly create proven prompts for high converting content. What kind of content do you want to prompt ChatGPT to write? You got a few different options. AI generated email sequence, landing page copy, blog post prompt, YouTube video script, which we got selected now, social media content, sales page copy, affiliate product review, lead magnet, or freebie. We're going to select YouTube video script. Who is your target audience? Just put your target audience in here. As much detail as possible, but try to keep it as brief as possible, but provide details. And for this particular demo video, I'm doing an in-depth review of the newest Google Pixel XL Pro phone. For a YouTube video, I need an in-depth prompt to get the best possible output. What is your main goal with this content? Now you got a couple different options. Sell a product or service, build trust or authority, generate leads, educate your audience, get clicks or traffic, promote an affiliate offer, warm up cold leads. Select whatever your intention is with this prompt. I have select a product or sell a product or service. Here's the output. Create a compelling YouTube video script for an in-depth review of the newest Google Pixel XL Pro phone. Start with a relatable story that highlights common frustrations with smartphones today, such as poor battery life, slow performance, or mediocre camera quality. Transition to how the Google Pixel XL Pro addresses these pain points, emphasizing its standout features like exceptional camera capabilities, long-lasting battery, and user-friendly interface. Include emotional triggers that resonate with viewers, showcasing real-life scenarios where the phone enhances daily life. And you can see the whole prompt right here. I'm just going to copy this. It's very well put together, and it's better than you can do, better than I can do, and it's going to save you a lot of time. Head on over to ChatGPT. Here's one of my super prompt for human-like undetectable AI content, or just paste this into your normal chat window, whatever you want to do. Here's your prompt, and it's going to generate the content for you. Here's my script outline. And you're good to go, and that's it. You just created a script for a YouTube video. And obviously, I would say redo and get rid of all the bold and the brackets. But if you want those, you can keep those as well. And just use the text, so it's easier to copy and paste into whatever video editor you're using. So with that being said, that's it. That's a ChatGPT prompt generator right here. It's going to save you a massive amount of time and energy when you're creating your prompts, so you're not messing around, so you can accomplish more important things, such as getting stuff done with your marketing. That's why this tool was created. It's very helpful, built in with a master prompt, and with AI, as you can see, built into it. So it's going to save you a lot of time, frustration, and hopefully make you a lot more money with your business and move your business forward where it belongs. So if you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for any future video updates. And if you have any comments, shoot a comment below in the video description box. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.